This next video that you're about to watch is all about the Muay Thai partner drills. We're going to give you some drills to make you sharper with your hands. We're going to give you some drills that make you sharper with your reaction to catching and throwing kicks. And this video is going to give you a drill to make sure that your kicks are that much faster and you can land them that much easier. Be sure to watch this content from beginning to end. And let us know if you have any questions and how it works out for you in the comment section. We can't wait to hear from you. Here we go. The first drill of the video that we're going to show you is the catch and throw drill. This drill will not only teach you how to instinctually catch and throw kicks, but also how to maintain balance and also how to counterattack after you catch those kicks. Here we go. So it's the simplicity of the kick first. This is my target, showing my ankle, looking at my target. How fast can I get it up there? Wham, down. Step, swing, look at the target, wham, back down. Turning the hip over. That's how you kick. Now, to counter that, this is what this drill is going to teach you. Catch and throw. He kicks, bop, very nice. Protecting himself, bomb, hip to the ceiling. I step back and then I throw, but I let him get his bearings. Bop, he goes, now he's ready. Wham, whop, kick, catch. When you throw, you don't want to throw low here. You don't want to throw straight from the forearm. No. You want to have valiente when you throw. Some cojones, some dresser drawers. He kicks, bam, good strong catch, and then I throw it. Wham, there we go, wham. You throw it good. Throw, not low. Throw it about the waist level. When you get used to this, it's going to be a habit to step to the side when they kick. You're not going to look like double dutch. When I say you're not going to look like double dutch, you're not going to be, okay, when is he going to kick? Oh, I'm ready to catch it. No. Because you're going to perfect this drill so much that it's going to become second nature to catch and throw. You're going to be a monster. One more time. He catch, bam, whop, throw, whoop, bam, whop, whop, pop, catch, throw. And then you speed it up. A few key tips that we want you to remember. You step to the side and catch. You want to protect your chin with your shoulder, because what if you question mark kick? You move the waist back, clear, bang, there we go. Then I kick, wham! That's the catch and throw drill. Try to build up at least 30 repetitions between both of you guys. Do that for 2 weeks straight and let us know how much it has benefited you in the comment section. I can't wait to hear from you. The next drill up on the menu is what I call hot feet. The hot feet drill, it's about learning how to attack your opponent or land body kicks without doing too much extra movement. We used to play a game back in the day. It was called Hot Hands. You remember that game, Tito? Yes. Tabernacle. So this was Hot Hands. You put your hands on your friend's hands. You have it here. And then you'll try to move. And then you'll, boom, hot hands. So this game is called Hot Feet. So it's relatively the same principles, but instead of using your hands, you're using your feet. So this is what we do, gang. You're in the pocket with your partner. You feint a little bit. You notice I'm not doing a bunch of hippity hop. I'm not throwing a whole bunch of combos. No. My guard is up. I'm looking right at his waist, and I'm throwing my, this is a feint. This is a feint. How fast can I? Bam! So I landed that. He didn't block it, so I keep going. This is hot feet. Sometimes I might go right. Sometimes I might go left. And then bam! That's 2 times. Then bam! That's a block for him. Now he goes. What you got, 2 pick? Miss? No, sir, that was all block. The key to this drill is developing that fast muscle twitch. Also, developing those little feints. All right, that's the feint. Watching his waist, I'm seeing what he does. Right now, I know I can get him because he's too upright. When you're defending, you have to make sure that you're ready. Not everybody's gonna be nice like me. Touch, just a little, just to get my distance. Take, and then bomb. Just like that, easy. Move, I'm winning the hot feet battle. And then I'll give him that one. Now it's your turn. On the defensive side, make sure you look at his waist, not his face. And don't panic. You're not allowed to throw punches, but you still don't want to have a wide open guard. Right here, I'm protected from punches. I'm protected from kicks, from knees, from everything. Block, move. This is how I want you to set it up. Feint a little bit. Feint, see what he does. He's already leaning so much on his front. These are little things that you're going to learn, so don't worry. He's leaning on his front, and then I automatically switch. Wham! Bang, bang. See what he does, okay. And then, ooh-wee, good block. Tito, tell them what you're doing when you're setting up your shot.
So I'm thinking I'm gonna hit him in the exact same spot every time. So I'm trying to get there as fast as I can.
And the reason why he's aiming at the arm is because I protected my ribs. If somebody's exposing their ribs a little bit Okay, go for the ribs. If they're protecting their ribs, go for the arm, the outside of the arm. Don't kick the elbow. Step out, turn the hip to the ceiling, and aim for the outside of the arm. Ooh-wee. I think I got that one. Let us know in the comment section. But I'll let you have it. Fake a little bit, move side, good cross block. So that's the hot feet drill. You're gonna stand in front of each other, but at arm's length. Because remember, if I can touch him, I can kick him. Boom. My legs are longer than my arms. So that's the area that you wanna stand. You're not doing 50 feet, hop around. No. Straight in front of each other, set it up, little twitch, see what he does. Bob, look at the target, step open, Bob, and then body kick, wham! I just tricked him, feint, then throw it. This drill is gonna help your feints, your reaction, your fast muscle twitch, and it's gonna help your defense, guaranteed. Next up on the menu for the Muay Thai partner drills that you're learning today is what we call the captain hook drill. We've given you fast twitch muscles for the legs and good catch and throws. What about those hands, man? You gotta have those too. First things first, you don't wanna be super close when doing this drill. You're gonna step back about the hand length away, and we're gonna work on hooks. I'm gonna work on my offensive hook. He's gonna work on blocking the hook and returning. Captain hook drill. Stand in front of your partner, you touch, and you decide, are you gonna go high or gonna go low? And they decide how they're gonna react, high or low. We'll go slow. Touch again, body hook. He goes, wham, bang, 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 good shot. That shot got me out balance, so watch how I reset. Get my composure, just like in a real fight. Hooks, boom, I'm not gonna, and try to, no. Gain your composure. This is a thinking man's game. In women's. Pop, there we go, and you fire. Bang, now hook, bang, bang, relax, bang, and then bang. Pop, and then hook, bang, there we go. Pop, and then hook, bang. Make sure you balance when you're throwing your hook. Outside the center line, body shot. Wham, he responds. He has good distance on his response. Make sure you're not super close because I'm waiting for this one. Boom, up elbow. That's very dangerous against the boxers. Sometimes you can step to the right, step to the left. You mirror your partner. I step back. I'm leading right now. Step. There we go. Bam, bam. Good. Use your eyes to feint. Bump, and then boom, to the respondent. Good. Bang, bang, good. Feint a little bit, touch, body shot, bang, bang. Forth and back. Remember when you're doing this drill, you're stepping outside the line, not here. They step here, you sweep body, sweep, boom. That's what's gonna happen, good. So every time you're throwing your shots, make sure they're nice and long. I'm outside the line, you're using your eyes to fake. Sometimes I'm looking to the body. Wham, but look how far away I am. I have a nice good distance. Then he responds, boom. Then I block it, then I go again. Boom. Then you go, bang, oh, bang, bang, and then sometimes reset. Touch again, bang, there we go. Boom, you gotta respond immediately or I win. So that's only a snippet of the full version that's now available on the KMA Online Muay Thai Drills and Workouts program. To get registered for 4 tiers of authentic Muay Thai, all you have to do is hit the link in the pinned comment or the description. And to get dripped out with us with KMA apparel and Muay Thai training gear, just hit that shop link in our pinned comment in the description. If you want more Muay Thai tutorials on our channel, all you have to do is click this video right here. It's gonna give you our full playlist that we know that you're gonna enjoy.